Hey guys, before we start, please like and subscribe, then click the notification bell icon for more video. You'll be updated. April Fool's Day is not officially considered a holiday, is most definitely a notable day that is celebrated in many countries on April 1st. The thing that is so special about April 1st, April Fools, is that it is the day for playing hoaxes and practical jokes of varied sophistication on others. The aim of these jokes is to bring embarrassment to the gullible. Superstitions have it that the practical jokes are meant to be played before noon, and that those that are performed afterwards will bring bad luck to the perpetrator. This limitation is widely losing its value as a superstition, as it is believed to have been conspired up by annoyed parents and school teachers who were wanting a respite from the day of pranks, as well due to the fact that many major hoaxes throughout history have appeared after noon. Another superstition is that anyone who fails to respond in the proper spirit of tolerance and amusement to the jokes played on them is also said to be liable to suffer from bad luck. Weaker sources indicated that being fooled by a pretty girl will be accompanied by marriage, or at bare minimum a friendship with her. That sounds like a good deal if she is truly pretty and it's not just April Fools. Along the lines of relationships, some people believe that being married on April Fool's Day is not a good idea for a man, and that forever in the future he will be ruled by his wife. The origin of April Fool's Day is not clearly known, but it is generally accepted to have come about as a result to the changes in the calendar system. The New Year's celebrations used to begin on the 25th of March and last for a week, ending on the 1st of April. In 1582, King Charles IX of France brought in the new Gregorian calendar, in which the new year began on the 1st of January. Unfortunately, some people did not hear about the change, and many others simply refused to break the tradition. These people became the object of so-called fool's errands and tests of gullibility. Don't forget to subscribe.